Welcome back. We are going to continue talking about health, and right now, going to the dentist. Research has shown that many people have put off routine dental care due to COVID-19. So what do we need to know about that? Well, I recently spoke with two dentists who are also sisters. They have some great information for us. Let's take a look.
COVID has put our oral health on the back burner. Dentists and oral care experts are here to discuss how to keep your mouth healthy. In fact, joining us today are sisters who are practicing cosmetic dentists and co-founders of Spotlight Oral Care, Doctors Vanessa and Lisa Creaven. Thank you so much, both of you, for being here today. How are you?
We're great. Thanks for having us.
Why have so many put oral health on the back burner during the pandemic?
You know, I think that oral health and certainly visits to the dentist is one of the easiest things to put on the back burner. I don't think we're anyone's favorite appointment in your calendar, but we are very necessary and, really important to keep up those visits. I think obviously when the pandemic hit, there was a lot of disruption to healthcare in general, and oral care is actually very similar. So, there was a lot of disruptions in terms of dental offices, what services we could provide, how often we could be open. Thankfully, dental offices have by and large returned to normal. And what we're seeing actually is really interesting. We're seeing a huge increase in engagement from our patients. I think a lot of people have a newfound respect and understanding for the importance of health and oral health. Oral health plays such an important role when it comes to your overall health. So going to your dentist regularly, achieving a really good, routine at home. These are all things that we need to certainly get back to ensure long-term oral health and overall health.
Why is your oral health routine at home as important as your routine visits to the dentist?
Yeah, your oral health routine at home is so important when you think about your oral health long term. So establishing a really strong routine is really important. And what we look for here is the products that you're using and the appliances that which you're using them with. So using active ingredients in your toothpaste and mouthwash will really help prevent tooth decay and cavities, gum inflammation and gum disease. Along with that, sonic technology has been amazing in the cleaning and improvement of oral health at home. And so investing in a sonic toothbrush really does make a huge difference in improving your oral health. Water flossing or traditional flossing, whichever way you floss, is really, really important to complete daily. And all of these things will really help to, I suppose, reduce your risk of kids' cavities, gum inflammation, and gum disease. As dentists, we'll often have the discussion with our patients that we can only treat and solve what is there in front of us. So be it cavities, be it gum inflammation or gum disease. We can advise on what to use and what best treatments to consider and regimes to put in place. But ultimately, in order for you to have amazing oral health at home, it's really to invest in those oral care products that you use every day and ensure that you're using best in class in terms of active ingredients, and will make a huge difference to your oral health long term.
What are the best ways to keep your oral health on the right track, especially in this time of COVID when so many of us have missed our routine cleanings and appointments?
I think it's really important, like Vanessa said, to establish a really good routine at home. I think by using products that are clinically proven, so use products that have active ingredients that are actually going to make a clinical impact. As dentists, we don't really recommend the use of natural products because we simply see a rise in oral disease when people start to use natural products like charcoal and the like. You want to use active ingredients, but also to use them at an individual level. So oral health, like any other aspect of your health, is totally individual. There's a genetic component, there's a lifestyle aspect to it. So you need products that are targeting your needs. So whether you have bad breath, whether you have chipping enamel, you need to use products that are actually going to make a difference for you. And that old message of one size fits all, bright white smile when it comes to toothpaste and everyone using the same toothpaste doesn't really make sense anymore. We all are using customized approaches when it comes to healthcare, and oral care is actually no different. So simple routines like using a sonic toothbrush, using our amazing water flosser, which actually just makes it easier to floss. And what that means is people are more likely to floss every day. And what you're doing is you're getting amazing clinical results. You're improving your oral health, reducing inflammation, and actually, making a really strong positive impact on your overall health.
And we've all heard how important flossing is to our overall oral health, but remind us once again why that is so important.
So flossing plays a huge role in the reduction of inflammation within the mouth. And inflammation in the mouth is so closely linked with inflammation all around the body. So it's linked with heart health, in control of blood sugar levels, particularly if you have any diabetics, in bone health. So anyone who's undergoing a knee or hip replacement, often the first place that their surgeon will send them pre-operatively or before their operation would be to the dentist to examine and ensure they're free of dental inflammation. And so flossing is an amazing way to reduce the bacteria and debris that gather between the teeth, but also reduce the overall levels of inflammation while still maintaining a really strong gut and oral biome. And that's why it's so important. And so the link is there between oral health and overall health.
And how can you whiten safely and effectively at home?
So it's really important when you're whitening to use products that are credible and reputable. You know, as dentists, when we created our whitening range, it was one of the reasons we started the brand in the first place, is we wanted to use the best practices that we use every day in practice and allow our patients and customers to use them in the comfort of their own home. Hydrogen peroxide is one of the most clinically proven ingredients, but it's about formulation and how you're using it. You know, we have an amazing vitamin E oil in our whitening products, and that really acts to soothe gums and reduce any sensitivity. We specifically designed all our whitening products for people who have sensitive teeth, because these are the most common issues that come up in our patients, you know, as barriers to whitening our teeth. We all want amazing white teeth, but we don't want to compromise our health. So, you know, finding the optimum level of hydrogen peroxide, you know, and controlling the mode of delivery is really important. All our products are independently tested. So it's really important that you're using credible products that are not going to impact the health of your mouth long term.
And where can we go for more information about everything that you've discussed today?
So for more information, you can find us at spotlightoralcare.com, and we're quite active through our social channels on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Spotlight Oral Care.
Will do. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Vanessa Creaven and Dr. Lisa Creaven, for joining us today. Really appreciate this important information about our oral health. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.